Hi there, how are you doing? Today's April Yoga Challenge 2020 is one of my most favorite asana. This pose is going to really transform you the way you are seeing yourself because this invoked the confidence in you. This is called Anjaneyasana or the monkey god pose. So I will show you how to do it first and then we do it for 5 minutes. We do the 2 rounds of that. That is more than enough. Very good for your spine, very good for your thymus gland. It opens your heart center. Very good for your shoulders and very good for having the strength at your legs and your knees too. So let's get it started. I show you how to do it and then we do it together for 2 times. That would be 5 minutes. After that you lay down and relax for a few moments and that's all. So let's get it started. Very simple. So I show you the first time, we are bringing the right leg forward and the left leg is back. Inhaling deep, full breath in, bringing the hands up. And staying here for the count of 5. Deep breathing in, deep breathing out, opening the chest, having the head as up as possible. Also making sure in this pose that the weight is equal on both the hips. Both hips holding the weight equally. Now same way we do it opposite side, the left leg. So that will be a complete 1 set of the asana and we're going to do 2 sets. Inhaling deep, having the weight on both your hips. Deep breathing in, bending the knee further out. Inhaling deep, full breath in, bring the hands up. Eyes are looking in between your hands and deep diaphragmatic breath. Deep and complete inhalation and complete exhalation. Inhaling and exhaling deep. After the count of 5, we bring the hands down, exhale and release when you're down in the center. So let's get it started. Okay, are you ready? Here we start. Inhaling deep. Slowly bring the right leg forward and the left is back. Have awareness on both your hips. With a deep inhalation, bring the hands up. Staying here for the count of 5. Eyes are looking in between your hands. Deep inhalation, deep exhalation. 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep. Hold this breath. Slowly bring the hands on the ground. Exhale. Now the opposite side, same way. Deep breath in, stepping forward with the left leg and the right leg is back. With a deep inhalation, full breath in, bringing the hands up. Have the awareness of the balance on both your hips, equal weight on your foot and from the knee down. Deep breathing. 2, 3, 4, 5. Complete inhalation and complete slow exhalation. 5. Inhale deep. Hold this breath, slowly going down. Exhale. You already feel it on your back. This is really impactful. Not only that, but also for your thymus gland as well. Opening your heart center fully. Now again, right leg forward and the left is back. Have the awareness of the weight equal on both hips. With a deep inhalation, bringing the hands up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale deep, full breath in, slowly going down, exhale. Very good. Last time, left leg forward and the right is back. And the awareness of the weight equal on both your hips. Both hips holding the weight. With a deep inhalation, slowly and gracefully going up. Slow breathing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Deep breathing. 5. Inhale deep, slowly and gently. We're coming back in the center. Exhale. That was it. Now from here, slowly you're crossing the legs and gently lay down on your mat for a few moments. Open your legs apart. Open the palms, gently eyes are closed and let go. having this deep breathing and relax the body. For a few moments staying here, just stay as relaxed as possible before you are getting on with your day. And just before you are going, I would like to say thanks to you. I get wonderful messages from you, and I really appreciate your support, and I'm so happy that I'm able to share it with you every day. 5 minutes of yoga, April Yoga Challenge 2020, and it is so easy, it is so much fun, and it's so rewarding for your physical health and the mental health. Also, it is very, very good for the breath work as well. So don't forget to tag yourself, and please leave the comment below, and I look forward to seeing you. Thank you so much.